Video surfaced on Monday showing a dike along China's largest freshwater lake, Poyang Lake, bursting, as the vaunted Three Gorges Dam continues to fail to live up to its purported purpose of flood control. Yet another area downstream, Poyang Lake, is seeing its worst flooding on record. As torrential rains batter central and southern China for the second straight month, the water levels in Poyang Lake on Saturday had already exceeded the 22.52 meters recorded during the 1998 flood, the previous all-time record, reported China's state-run mouthpiece Xinhua on Tuesday. The Chinese Communist Party, CCP, voicebox, then wrote that Jiangxi province officials are making every effort to deal with the disaster, while raising the flood warning to its highest level, a red alert. The news site then claimed that the Three Gorges Dam is being utilized to ease the pressure at the middle and lower reaches of the river's main course. Weeks of incessant rains have led to dangerously rising water levels in rivers and lakes across Jiangxi, with Xinhua acknowledging that several embankment breaches have taken place. According to the Provincial Flood Control and Drought Relief Headquarters, water levels have exceeded warning marks in 2,439 kilometers of the 2,545 kilometers of riverside and lakeside embankments. This has already resulted in 14 levee sections being breached in Poyang County, which is situated next to Poyang Lake. By Sunday afternoon, the flooding had affected more than 5.5 million people in Jiangxi province, forcing nearly 500,000 to be evacuated from low-lying areas. According to the headquarters, floodwaters have already destroyed over 510,700 hectares of crops and inflicted RMB $8.13 billion, US $1.16 billion, in economic losses. The government agency forecasts a new wave of rain will strike the area beginning on Tuesday.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.